Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by gathering the essentials: validated Roblox accounts, owner permission, and the private server ID or invite link. Log into one account interactively to confirm the server accepts invites. Once done, export that session's cookie or authentication token securely. You will reuse this pattern. Make sure account settings allow device logins and confirm any two-factor authentication flows. This avoids sudden blocks when switching sessions. From here, you're ready to automate controlled, authenticated joins. Now configure the account manager to use the authenticated sessions. Import cookies or tokens for each account and test them one by one. You'll trigger the same join action a human would, either hitting the invite URL with the session cookie or using the Roblox join endpoint, so mimic headers and timing to reduce detection. Once sessions validate, queue accounts and stagger joins with short, randomized delays. This avoids spikes and helps accounts pass normal rate checks while maintaining predictable behavior. Execute the queued joins with controlled timing. Start small, watch HTTP responses, and the account manager logs for errors like rate limits or reauthentication requests. If a join fails, reauthenticate that account interactively and retry. If you see repeated 429s, increase delay or rotate IPs responsibly. Make sure the server owner has not changed settings. Finalize by confirming all accounts appear in the server list, and then stop automated activity to let Roblox treat behavior as normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.